Hi friends, welcome to my channel VK Blue. Today I will tell you about free courses offered by AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education. These courses are completely free of cost and the last date to apply these courses is 15th May. Now we will see in detail about these free courses. To get the website for these free courses, type here AICTE free online courses. Click the first option. This is the website providing free courses offered by All India Council for Technical Education. So many courses are available here for engineering students, MBA students, degree students, and other courses also available based on general topics. If you want, you can make use of them. Now we will see one by one. For IT students, machine learning with RStudio, machine learning using Python for Python users. Also data analytics, testing, agile technology is also available. So those who are interested in these courses can apply for these courses. And also big data analytics, R programming, Java programming, data science, programming workbench. All these courses are for CSE and IT students. Those can make use of these courses. Now we will see for EC and EEE students. MathWorks. MathWorks is commonly used by EEE and EC students. MATLAB on-ramp, machine learning on-ramp, deep learning, Simulink, Stateflow. So all these courses are for EC and EEE students. So they can register for these courses. One special course is there for mechanical students. That is Mechanical Engineering Essential Program. This is for mechanical students. They can make use of this course. For MBA students, Financial Management, Online Internship in Financial Analysis Basics, Performance Management. Also, Online Internship in Investment Analysis Skills. So these are the courses offered for MBA students. Also some e-learning courses also there, like Learning Management System, EduTech, Great Learning Academy. Those who are interested in these courses can apply for this. One special course is there for healthcare system, that is Tic-Tac-Toe. Also to improve our communication skills and interview preparation, study skills package. These two courses are very useful to improve our communication skills, and also like those who are preparing for placements and those who want to join new companies can make use of these courses. Those who are interested in robotics, for them Virtual Robotics Toolkit is there. For civil students, CAD using Autodesk Inventor. Some other general purpose courses also there, like Statistics, Accelerator, Experience Controls App, Structural and Foundation Analysis. So all these courses also available. So those who are interested can make use of these courses also. Now we will see how the course will be. Suppose I am selecting communication skills and interview preparation. So this is how. This is the information about this course. Product videos. This video tells about this course. So let's see how it is.
Courses are designed based on specific needs. Bite-sized lessons with videos and podcasts, followed by quizzes, would carve the learning on the mind forever. The chat feature enables the learners to interact with peers or trainers daily for a continuous and better collaborative learning. The learners can also submit assignments and get them assessed from the trainer who guides and motivates the learner to achieve his or her learning objectives. They provide the much needed constructive feedback to the learner. They are encouraged to learn and earn the medals by completing the courses in time. The courses are so engaging that they complete them in time with great enthusiasm. Every learner is assessed on various learning parameters before and after the course allowing learners to know their progress, understand their weaknesses, and practice more. If the learner is interested in learning more, Words Maya offers references to more courses and more learning.
So this is how the course will be. Next, prerequisite. Prerequisite is the eligibility like BA, BCom, BSc, Engineering, MBA. So all students can apply for this course. Next, infrastructure means any smartphone, Android, iOS with internet connection is sufficient to complete this course. Contact details, name, mobile number, email ID. If you have any doubts or if you want to know more about this course, you can contact them with this information. Company name. Words Maya is the company providing this online course. Any other specific point? Nothing is there. So this is the complete information about this course. So if you want to register, click here. So this course is completely free of cost on special offer. If you apply after May 15th, you have to pay for this course. For registering, click here. Then you will get like this. Here, fill your details. Your residence setting. Your institute location setting. Your course. Professional communication skills, job interview preparation. Then submit. Now your registration is completed. Then you will get a mail about it for further details. But for other courses, registration is different. I will show you. Like this. If you want to register, then you can use Google, Facebook, Microsoft, LinkedIn, Yahoo. So you can register like this also. So this is how the registration will vary for every course. So this is the complete information about the free courses provided by AICTE. So friends, if you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section. If you find this video is helpful, please do subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.